Automatic gate installation in Huntersville, North Carolina provides homeowners and businesses with convenience, security, and style. QC Fence Contractors ensures professional installation, reliable systems, and durable materials built to handle everyday use with lasting performance. Our skilled team specializes in designing and installing automatic gates that match property needs and enhance curb appeal. We prioritize safety, functionality, and efficiency, offering dependable solutions that improve access control and increase property value while maintaining strong security standards. Contact us for a free consultation and start enjoying the benefits of added security and convenience. Are you looking for an automatic gate installation near me? You can stop looking. You found QC Fence Contractors. What types of automatic gates do you install? QC Fence Contractors installs sliding, swing, and motorized automatic gates for residential and commercial properties, offering durable, secure, and convenient access control with custom designs and modern automation technology. How long does it take to install an automatic gate? Most automatic gate installations by QC Fence Contractors take 1 to 3 days, depending on driveway conditions, system complexity, and design, ensuring reliable safety, convenience, and long-lasting performance for property owners. What is the service area for your Huntersville, North Carolina location? Our automatic gate installer has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Huntersville, Hopewell, Caldwell, Mountain Island, Lowesville, Lucia, Davidson, Harrisburg, Cornelius, Davis Lake, Eastfield, Wedgwood, Brookdale Village, Torrance, Hunters Point, and Highland Creek, North Carolina. Where is your Huntersville, North Carolina automatic gate installation office located? We are located at 9541 Julian Clark Avenue, number 101A, Huntersville, North Carolina 28078. Our phone number is 704-387-6476. Visit our website, www.qcfencecontractors.com/Huntersville-North-Carolina-Fence-Installation-Repair-Contractor.